What begins as a collection of timber and an open field is about to become a fully built wooden home. Every measurement and connection from this point forward will shape the entire structure. The project starts with carefully prepared foundation supports already positioned across the site. These elevated points will carry the weight of the structure while keeping it isolated from ground moisture. Long structural beams are brought into place and aligned across the supports. Their positioning establishes the primary framework that every future component will depend upon. Each connection is measured and checked before fastening begins. Accuracy here is critical because even small errors can affect the alignment of the entire building. The crew begins securing the first major joints, carefully joining heavy timber members together. Strong connections now will improve both stability and long-term durability. More structural sections are added across the foundation, gradually defining the footprint of the future home. The framework is beginning to take recognizable shape. Power tools speed up the installation process, but every adjustment is still guided by careful craftsmanship. Precision remains the priority throughout the build. The next stage introduces an important milestone. As additional framing is installed, the structure will begin revealing the true scale of the house. Internal framing members are positioned between the outer beams, strengthening the platform while helping distribute structural loads more evenly. Each section is aligned and secured one connection at a time. This methodical approach ensures the completed platform remains straight, level, and dependable. With more framing installed, the project transitions from a simple outline into a substantial structural base capable of supporting the next phases of construction. Additional timber components are fitted into place, creating a consistent pattern across the platform. Every completed section contributes to the overall strength of the structure. The builders continue checking measurements as work progresses. Repeated verification helps prevent issues before they can affect later stages of the build. The framework now extends across much of the foundation area, making the future dimensions of the house easier to visualize from ground level. More fasteners are installed throughout the structure, locking the timber members firmly together and increasing rigidity across the entire platform. The foundation framework is approaching completion, and the effort invested in careful alignment is becoming increasingly visible throughout the build. Another major transformation is approaching. The next stage will build upon this completed platform and begin bringing the house upward from its foundation. With the structural base now firmly established, the project is fully prepared for the next phase of construction, where the home's visible form will start to emerge.